This is Build a Molecule project being presented by Mallory Jenkins and Hayden Fish. The molecule we chose was potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is an inorganic compound with the formula of KOH. KOH is a strong base and it has many industrial applications. Most of the applications exploit its caustic nature and its reactivity towards acids. If you look to the left, you can see the image of KOH. It is linear and it shows the oxygen in the middle being bonded to potassium and hydrogen. Some interesting facts about KOH we have are it is used in making soap, it is an electrolyte in the alkaline batteries, it's used in paint and varnish removers, and is also used in electroplating and lithography.
Our trinket is linear. You can see to the left of the screen a picture of the stationary trinket. Potassium is the biggest molecule. It's pictured on the far left as the blue sphere. Oxygen was placed in the center because it's bonded to potassium and hydroxide. It's the green sphere in the middle, and the hydrogen atom on the right was the smallest molecule. It's pictured as the red atom. The idea of the animation was to have the oxygen sphere and the hydrogen to both be pulling back towards the potassium ion. A problem that we encountered while modeling the potassium hydroxide molecule was figuring out how to make the spring oscillate. We overcame this challenge by altering the K value to a larger value in order to represent the ionic bonding of potassium hydroxide. This allowed the spring to oscillate at a faster pace, which illustrated the bond more clearly.
This page shows the KOH animation that we ended up with. I'm going to let it play for a second and you can see that the springs are oscillating and we are able to nudge the molecules to make it look like it was pulling back towards the potassium atom because it's the biggest, and I feel like it had the strongest electronegative pull. So our construction was trying to be consistent with the organic electron pull attractions for the actual molecule itself. But that's about it. Thank you.